how to make money online in 2 minutes. Hi, thank you for joining us. Today I'll be showing you how to make money online in 2 minutes. First, you need to understand that making money online requires certain things. It requires certain mindset, and knowing those mindset would help you in effectively making money online. The number one thing you need to know is that your skill set is required in making money online. You need to assess your skill set, you need to list them and see where it fits in. You can't just render any service online. You can't just engage anybody online. Your skill set must match what is required for the job. 2. Working online requires that you provide solutions. Working online means that people have challenges, they have problems, and they are looking for somebody to solve it for them. This means that you are having solution to that problem. So knowing this is fundamental in helping people solve their problem. Do you have the solution? If you have the solution, great. Then you are good to go. Get trained. Whatever solution you are rendering online, you need to be prepared. You need to be trained to effectively render that solution. The world is global now and people want the best. So for you to be the best, for you to offer the best, you need to be trained in the art of delivering your service and solutions online. Promote yourself. After you've mastered the art of rendering service online, after you've trained yourself, after you've perfected your skill in delivering solutions online, you need to sell yourself. Nobody knows this, so you have to promote yourself, you have to sell yourself, you have to reach out to people, reach out to companies, reach out to organizations that would need your service. Lastly, you need to know that you are dealing with people. Regardless of the type of online service you are rendering, you need to know that people are behind such service, and so you need to have people skills, you need to be cautious, you need to be mindful, and you need to be human in your dealings with others so that you can continuously earn money online. Thank you for watching this video. Click on the subscribe button to access more informative videos, and also click on the notification bell to be notified when we post new content.